Welcome to our channel, your go-to hub for all things forestry machinery. From powerful chainsaws to cutting-edge harvesters, we feature the latest equipment that's shaping the future of the timber industry. I've watched many tree felling videos, but this one stands out. It powerfully highlights the thrilling and humbling force of nature. While the chainsaw is key, it's the operator's skill that ensures both safety and success in the process. This is the Wood-Mizer LT40 wide sawmill, offering a 2.5-meter cutting width and handling logs up to 100 centimeters in diameter. It processes up to 1.5 cubic meters of wood per hour, making it a highly efficient tool for increasing productivity with large timber. Witness the power of this sawmill as it cuts through a 0.2-meter diameter, 15-meter long log, with blade speeds reaching 140 meters per minute. It demonstrates impressive precision and efficiency for handling large timber. Next, let's take a look at the Lumberjack LJ450, a tree felling machine with a 5.5-meter crane arm, capable of handling trees up to 45 centimeters in diameter and logs weighing up to 250 kilograms. It offers 360 degrees movement and efficient tree cutting. The 650C circular saw efficiently handles various wood types, with a range of 1.5 to 6.5 meters in length and up to 650 millimeters in diameter. The logs are then processed by the Rex 600 times firewood splitter for final product. Watch how the almond tree is cleared in just minutes by the powerful PT600 with the FAE 500 mulching head, equipped with a 600 horsepower engine, ensuring fast and efficient processing of all types of vegetation. What an impressive performance! It was impressive to see the HF800 splitter efficiently process large amounts of firewood, handling logs up to zero point 0.5 meters in diameter. Its automatic speed shift allows machines with lower hydraulic flow to split tough materials, compatible with various carriers. Transporting massive logs weighing up to 25 tons and measuring up to 12 meters in length is indeed a challenging task. But let's witness the power of Cat 966 wheel loaders and bulldozers as they excel in completing this task with impressive efficiency. The Han HFP 160 Firewood Pro turns your skid steer, loader, or excavator into a higher production processor, cutting logs up to 28 inches and splitting them into 4 to 8 pieces. It reduces production costs, enhances safety, and requires only one operator. Incredible! The driver must have a strong mindset and exceptional skills to maneuver this log truck on such a dangerous and challenging route. A slight deviation in direction could cause the truck to roll off the cliff instantly. The Pezzolato chipper is impressive with its ability to crush large logs up to 80 centimeters in diameter, making it a popular choice in biomass plants across the US. With impressive throughput of up to 100 cubic meters per hour, it efficiently crushes large logs into smaller pieces. Now, let's witness how this massive log is transformed into firewood pieces through the powerful blade of the horizontal artisanal splitter, which boasts an impressive cutting force of up to 30 tons. This impressive, strong machinery features the Logmax 7000 harvester head mounted on an Ecolog 590D. Powered by a 300 horsepower Mercedes engine and equipped with hydraulic pendulum arms for leveling, it can handle trees up to 60 centimeters in diameter and 12 meters in length. The ProPack 453 Delimber on the Cat 538 FM can process trees up to 24 inches in diameter with an impressive capacity of up to 150 trees per hour, making it highly efficient for large-scale operations. Let's take a look at how the Manson 70 operates. This powerful material handler offers a 24-meter reach and comes in both electric and diesel versions, designed for efficient timber handling and heavy-duty tasks. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe, and we look forward to having you with us on our next exciting journey.